How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Circle Carbine flush mounts. So we offer these units in our Floodlight optics or our Spotlight optics, and then you'll see that you get your included flush mount flange here, and then you'll have your cables going to your positive and negative connections. And then on both of these units, you'll have 6 3-watt LEDs pushing 1,620 lumens. So let's go ahead and turn these units on and go over the optics. So here we have our Floodlight model where you'll have all Floodlight optics giving you that wide spread coming off of your flush mount. And here you'll see our Spotlight model where you'll have all Spotlight optics giving you that more focused beam coming off of your flush mount. Now another option you'll see is our surface mount angle flange, and you'll simply use this to slip onto the back of your work light if you would like to angle mount this on your vehicle as well. When it comes to wiring your Carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our Circle Carbine flush mounts. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.